Biyahe Parain goes to Drumheller! Kakabiyahe mo yan eh! Ay, video pala! Wait lang, sorry! Hi guys, it's me again. Kakatapos lang namin mag-pictorial. Wow.
Yeah, boy.
Maghanap ng CR sa tuktok. So ito guys, akit na namin ng bundok na to dahil gusto namin.
Bulaga! Just look at the view! Puno ng hills at maraming bahay. Grabe, I think isang school lang ata yung nakita ko dito. Tapos ayan lang yung grocery na nakita ko din. Kahit ganun dinadagsa pa rin siya guys. Tingnan mo naman. Just look at the height. Grabe, nakakalula siya guys. And nakakatakot siya talaga tignan. It's just amazing na I'm walking. We're walking where dinosaurs have walked before.
Nice.
Pamontage ka naman!
One eternity later.
Maliban sa grocery shops, mga bahay, at lipo-lipong mga bundok dito sa Drumheller, meron din kayo mapupuntahan na museum, which is the Royal Tyrrell Museum. And in just a few minutes, or maybe an hour, malaman natin kung anong nasa loob. Tignan niyo yung pila guys, grabe. Bukas na kayo makakapasok ng Tyrrell Museum talaga. Kaya buti na lang medyo maaga-kaaga kami. Mamaya na lang ulit. See ya! What you're witnessing right now is a dinosaur neck bone. And according to the one written in there, meron daw siyang puncture because of a crocodile teeth. So, ibig sabihin, nakagat siya ng crocodile before. And yung dinosaur na to, it's still baby pa. Kaya, di pa ganun ka-wild.
Okay.
In this museum, pinapaliwanag rin niya yung beginning ng universe, yung environmental shifts. Even if like more on dinosaurs siya, it also explains yung evolution din ng humans, which is actually good. Ang daming fossils dito guys. Most of it are still original, but most are like cast na rin, so they're not, you know, real bones anymore. Let's find out more. Ay. Ang ganda, ang ganda. Galing, no? Ang dami pang mountains dito sa Drumheller na hindi pa natin na-excavate. So, yung mga fossils pa na hindi pa na-discover. Over here, guys, pinapakita rin dito yung different kinds of rocks. So, meron tayong limestone, may shale, may conglomerates, may evaporates. Ito yung pre-existing rocks dati. And sanay sila sa high heat and extreme pressure. Meron din tayong igneous rocks and sandstone rocks. Ang gaganda. And lahat yan, totoo yan guys. Hindi yan fake. Tignan niyo yan oh. Sobrang laki. Totoo pa ba yan?
Obvious ba?
Paano kaya magtatago sa ganyang kalaking creature? Hindi mo na yan matatakasan. Parang nagde-defend lang si Kuya dito ng thesis niyo.
Paano masabi?
Tapos na tayo sa dinosaurs and evolution ng human and whatever the environment is. Ngayon naman, we're gonna take a journey through time.
Oh my God!
We're gonna go back to 3.9 billion years ago. Let's see kung paano ba yung life dito sa Earth. Tara! We are now about to enter the Precambrian period. Anong meron dyan?
We're here in the Cambrian period and I don't know where we at earlier, but we're here in the Cambrian period and it's nice because
now this is my side.
it just tells us like how life changes rapidly over like a million years ago, and there's traces of them here. Actually, it's like original things.
Listen, look and listen and learn.
Come with me, then we can go around. It's like the Ecdysozoa. The evidence is over here that
Kinda scary.
Complex creatures.
Oh.
Most of them would have fit into the palm of your hand. Here they are.
A few inches later.
And different kinds of fossils na. And there are also games for kids dito.
You cannot touch me!
Very interactive naman mga ano dito.
I think you can see what the dinosaur can see.
Oh. Ganyan pala siya. We are now about to enter the Mesozoic period. I mean. Yan. Laki. Bulong at dabo. It's like my height. It's my height. Anak, tayo ka dyan. Picturean kita. Iba-ibang fossils yung nandito. Charan! Wow! Roar!
Stop it. Get some.
Merong Brachylophosaurus. Wow! And what's that one over there? Gorgosaurus. And there's a Lambeosaurus.
20 minutes later.
Wow! Environment is environmenting. We're here ngayon sa tuktok ng isang, what do you call it? Coulee ba? Hindi pala siya mountains, guys. They're called coulees or hoodoos. So, yan. Natapos na kami sa Royal Tyrrell Museum. Ngayon, medyo nagpapahangin lang dito. Sarap ng hangin. Lamig.
Oh no! Cringe!
At kung nagustuhan niyo, please hit the like and subscribe button. Follow mo na